Let me show you how to design a poster in Adobe Photoshop. Let's start by creating a new file, size 21 by 29.7 centimeters. Drag this image into Photoshop. You'll find the download link in the description below. Alright, grab the rectangle tool and follow these steps. Draw a rectangle right here like this. Let's add a white stroke color. And you can choose any fill color. I will choose this color. Hold Alt and drag to make a copy. Let's move it higher just a little. Again, hold Alt and drag. We'll do the same thing we did before. Hold Shift. Select these 3 layers and then put them in a folder. Let's rename this folder. We want to hide part of these rectangles behind the car. First, select the car layer. Go to Select and choose Subject. Pick any selection tool, right-click, and choose Select Inverse. This selects everything outside the car. Now, select the rectangles folder and add a layer mask. Right-click on the folder, and let's choose a color for this folder. Now choose this rectangle layer, and then drag this photo to Photoshop. You'll find the download link in the description below. Scale it while holding the Shift button. When you finish, press Enter. Right-click here and select Create Clipping Mask. Now choose the Move tool and press Ctrl-T. Scale it and adjust the position like this. Just follow these steps. Now choose this rectangle layer, and then drag this photo to Photoshop. Right-click here and choose Create Clipping Mask. Or you can simply hold Alt and click here to do it instantly. Now let's adjust its position just like we did before. Follow these steps. We'll do the same thing for the third picture as well, so follow along. If you have any questions, write them below and I'll reply as soon as possible. Before we continue, I just want to quickly mention my Patreon page. You can download all the PSD files from my tutorials on Patreon page for a small fee. It's a great way to support the channel and get all the project files in one place. Check the link in the description. Let's get back to the tutorial. Now, let's add the title right here. Select the Type tool and let's write our title. I'll show you the font I'll be using. Follow along these steps. This is the font and the color that I am using. If you have any questions, write them below and I will reply to you as soon as possible. Now, let's write a paragraph description right here. Select the Type tool and follow along with these steps. You can find the font and images in the link in the description below. For the last step, drag this plastic texture image into Photoshop. Change the blending mode to screen and add a layer mask. Next, select the brush tool and choose a soft, round brush. Reduce the flow. Set the foreground color to black. And follow these steps as we hide parts of the plastic texture. If you have any questions, write them below and I will reply to you as soon as possible. That's it. Hope you liked it. You can download all the PSD files from my tutorials on Patreon page for a small fee. It's a great way to support the channel and get all the project files in one place. Check the link in the description. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials. Also watch other tutorials in my channel.